Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to set up React locally using HTML file. So if you want to follow React official website, then you can follow react.dev. So here first we are downloading that HTML file for setting React locally on your computer. So I am creating one file index.html. So in that first I need to add three CDNs. First is react.development.js file. So I'm adding these two files. After that I need one more file, Babel. So I'm taking one div here. In that div I'm taking one ID attribute root. And I want to write JavaScript. So I need to take one script tag, because if I want to write JavaScript code into the HTML, so that time we need to write code into the script tag, and I need to mention that type text JavaScript. Then console react DOM dot create root. Create root. Document dot get element by root. And that, so root is a one container, so whatever we have write into the component, that will load into that root container. So that's why I'm taking react dom dot create root. And for getting document is a one window object. So from that window object I want to get element by id. If I want to get any data from that particular id, so we need to use get element by id. If I'm writing class, then I need to write get element by class name, like this. So then root dot render. Here is one render method for taking that component. Suppose I'm taking one app component. Component nothing but it is a piece of code. It is Same like tagging, but we are writing in capital. First letter should be capital, and it is self-closing. So I'm writing here one component const. I'm taking one arrow function. First we are writing using normal function. So we have in JavaScript we write like a function like this same, but here is like we represent component like element, sorry, tag name, but that first letter should be capital. So normal function we write like this function then function name and return one. So here is one more div tag. So if I want to write JSX means it is a combination of HTML, XML and JavaScript. So I need to write that code into the one div, any tag. Mostly we use div, and in that suppose I'm writing like app component. So first we are checking. We click on if I want to execute this HTML file. So first you need to install that live. Yeah, you need to add this extension live server. I have already added. So open with live server. Yeah, there is some error because we are checking what is the issue. Yes, unexpected token, because in JavaScript we didn't use like this div in that. Here is while rendering this application component, it is showing like this error. So that's why we need to uh, we need to browser only understand HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So we need to convert this JSX into the JavaScript. So that's why we need that Babel CDN. So here without writing JavaScript we can add Babel. So we are checking now. Yeah, it is executed. Suppose suppose 1 minute. Suppose I have used this second CDN before that first. So what is the error? Yeah, react_dom.createRoot is not a function. So first we need react.development.js file. Then after we need react.dom, because Babel we get from react.development.js. First we need to install react.development.js file, then we can use Babel. If I haven't used this first, then it will give error like react_dom.createRoot is not a function. So always we need to follow this sequence. Another is suppose I am using this container outside after the function. So what happened, you will see. Create root target container is not a DOM element. So we need to always mention that container here before that function, before that script tag, means outside the script. Then and suppose I want to one more function and I want to load into the app. So I'm right click const using arrow function, suppose button, sorry, it is arrow function, so I need to write like this. Okay, that written, and we need to wrap inside one wrapper. So we need to write JSX into the one element, one tag name, one tag. Suppose in that I want to take one button. So I want to pass this button component into the app component. So we can simply like right click button. Yes. So how we can load another component into the app component? So like this. So I have write one button component. I have taken one button component, and that button component I have load inside the app component. So we will see the output. Yeah. First in so first we load the app component. So it will go inside the app component. First it will load the button, it will go inside the button component and execute that button, and after that it will print component, app component, and it will execute both inside the browser like this. Then suppose I'm writing like this h2. Okay, outside the div, so what happened, we will see h2. So here is already showing error. Yeah. Here is mentioned adjacent JSX element must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. So whatever we pass into the JSX, that should be in one enclosing tag. So I need to mention that h2 tag in div, so it will execute. Yes, hello. Then yeah, that's all. Thank you guys.